Okay, I'm gonna make some homemade ice cream using cake mix. Yes, I said cake mix. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I've already got it in my bowl. I'm going to mix it up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't want y'all to have to hear this for the whole time, but I'm just gonna mix it with a hand mixer until it forms some peaks for me. It's already gotten thick for me. So now I am going to add the other ingredients. So now I'm going to fold in 1 cup of condensed, well, 1 can of condensed milk. So let's go ahead and pour the can in. This stuff is so good. All right, so we're just going to fold it in. That way we're not overworking the milk. Getting all that goodness up in here. I told one of my pre-K students today that I was going to go home and make homemade ice cream. They wanted to come home with me. I'm like, no sorry, Bob, not today, not any day. If you're a teacher, you know. Okay, so next I am using a packet of, I'm gonna do a little bit at a time, of Betty Crocker triple chocolate fudge. Now I will say with this, to me, you can flavor up any box cake. I mean, you really can. You can make it taste good, make it taste homemade, even the off brands. But when it comes to this, you're going to want to get one of the brand names to make the ice cream with. And now, like I said, I'm doing the chocolate, and I'm just going to mix it in really good by folding it in. Y'all did not see that. Not that look, anyway. So just keep folding it in until it's all mixed in really good. And then we're gonna, I've already put a aluminum pan in the freezer to get chilled for me. And I'm gonna put this in the freezer when I get it all mixed up for about maybe 2 to 3 hours before I test it. And usually whenever you take it out, you just take it out and leave it on the counter for about 5 minutes so it's scoopable. So once it all gets mixed in real well, I'll show you what it looks like. Y'all, this already looks like a really good ice cream. I mean, it looks like ice cream that you just got out of a machine, like a good milkshake. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. All right, so this is what the finished product looks like. Like I said, I just put in an aluminum bowl to put back in the freezer. And I cannot wait till it is frozen so that I can give it a try. But you know, you got to, it already tastes good. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Okay, everyone, the ice cream has set up now. We're gonna give it a try here. It is the next day. I've let it set all night and all day while I was at work, but we're gonna give it a try. Okay, so my recipe called for a whole box of cake mix. I would probably the next time just do half a box of cake mix. It does have a good ice creamy texture to it, and it looks like ice cream. Kind of tastes like the Breyers chocolate ice cream, but it's not bad. I mean, it tastes good. It's more like Cool Whip. I think that's what it tastes and feels like. Guys, I'm here to try new things and to teach you things that I was raised on. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe so that I can make more of these for you.